In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P2015 printer driver in Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome browser. The moment you have opened that app, you need to navigate here at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet P2015 printer and click on the Enter key button in your Windows keyboard, and in that way, you would be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one, which is under support.hp.com, an official website for this HP port or HP printer driver. Okay. And from that, you'd be able to see this printer driver, which is HP LaserJet P2015. Please wait until it would be ready for you. Once ready, you need to scroll down here and locate for this option called Driver Universal Print Driver. Click on this down arrow key and it will show you two printer driver. Choose for HP Universal Printer Driver for Windows PCL6. Click on this download button aligning to it, and in that way you can now start the downloading process. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. And once you have downloaded it successfully, please navigate to the top right corner. You can see there a download icon, click on it, and eventually you'll be able to see this downloaded file. So please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click and click on this cut icon. Once done, please close the window as well as this one. And from here, please make a right click and click on the paste. Once you have pasted this zip file, you need to make a right click here and go with extract all, or either choose the WinRAR tool to extract it. So go with extract to and wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Okay, so once here, let us now start the installation by navigating here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to open up the settings window. So please wait until the settings would be ready for you. Once set, you need to navigate to the left pane and locate with Bluetooth and devices. Now here at the Bluetooth and devices, please choose for printers and scanners, and afterwards you'll get an option called Add Device. Click on it and wait until a new option would be appearing, which is Add Manually. Once it's here, click on it, and in a few seconds, you would be able to bring up a new window where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, please choose the fifth one, which is Add a Local Printer or Network Printer with Manual Settings. Click on Next, click on this down arrow key, and use among of this three USB port. Okay, so if you have an HP port here, you can use that one as well. So please be crucial, cautious on selecting the HP port. Yes, the HP port if you have, and you can also select the USB port here, no other than that. So click on next once you have selected the correct printer port, click on have disk and go with browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, scroll down and select your extracted file, double tapped, and eventually it will show you a list of drivers. Please select any of this, click on open and click on OK. Okay, so once done, please choose for HP Universal Printing PCL6 version 7.7.0. Click on next here and please rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into HP Laser Jet space P2015. Once done, click on next and it will now start the installation. Please wait until this process would be finished. Okay, so once done, please click on next. and click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P2015 printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.